Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by trimming frayed threads and pressing the raw edge flat so the machine feeds evenly. Once pressed, mark the stitching line. Choose 1/4 or 1/2 inch depending on the fabric weight so you sew straight. Select the right presser foot. A zipper, narrow, or rolled hem foot helps guide the edge. Set stitch length to about 2.025. This balances strength and flexibility. Begin sewing slowly to establish a clean lead-in, ensuring the marked line stays aligned with the needle. You secure the start with a short backstitch or lock stitch so the edge won't unravel. Then feed the fabric evenly, guiding it gently with your hands rather than pushing. Light pressure keeps the edge flush against the foot. When you approach curves or thicker hems, slow down and pivot the fabric, lifting the foot slightly if necessary. Make tension and stitch length adjustments as you encounter layers. This prevents puckering. Keep an eye on stitch alignment and correct course immediately to maintain a neat edge. You finish by backstitching or securing the end, then trim any excess seam allowance and press the final edge to set the stitches. For fabrics that fray, use a zigzag or serger stitch before pressing, and consider a dab of fray check on very delicate weaves. If stitches look uneven, rebalance the tension, swap to the correct needle size, or test settings on a scrap piece. One key troubleshooting tip: if skipping or puckering continues, change the needle and verify the thread path. That fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.